Actually, at morning, we are in secret, right? We are in secret. I try to open my cluster. How to open cluster? Please respond, anyone. Go to Cloud Chef, Cloud Chef, GCP, right?
The screen is not shared, sir.
Screen is not shared. Okay, start. Just now I came from institution. I went to BDR institutions. Now please guide me. I am in here. Think GCP console login. You know it. After that, where is our GCP console login? We are getting in this way. GCP console login. Yes, we got it. Today we'll try to finish two resources. One is the secret, second one is the config map. Now what shall I do here? Please respond. Go to here. Kubernetes engine, right? Kubernetes engine. Kubernetes engine. What next? My cluster is running, I think already running. What should I do? Where connect? Run in Cloud Shell. Now press enter, authorize. I need to enter into my Kubernetes manifest. Anyone respond? How to enter? CD, capital K. Now see, DAL, DAL. Any secret related or config related, any YML file is there or not? Check it and tell me. Any secret related or config related? Secret or config? The config secret, both are there, right? Here, check it. Config secret. Are observing or you consider any one only, or you consider any one. Just check it and tell me. Anywhere the such file is there or not?
Map is there, sir.
Their config map is there. Good. Shall I take this one? Shall I take this one? Config map. Okay. Both are same, but look and feel is same, but purpose is different. I'll tell you. First, I need to copy this. I copy it. VA. I'm pasting here. I think press N. First, we'll enter into server. Yeah, good. Good. First, I'll try to enter into Visual Studio. Then only you will get the clarity. VS Code. VS Code. There you take new file name. Please respond. I will take like this. What is the name I want to provide? Config map. Config map is there or not? Respond here. Config map. This is one type of Kubernetes resource, Kubernetes object. I'm selecting this. See, same secret look and feel is there or not? API version, kind, metadata, data. I think today morning I said, right? If you take pod, if you take deployment, if you take RC, if you take RS, what are the four sections are available? API version, kind, metadata, specification. Am I correct or not? But whereas we are coming to the one is secret, another one is config. One is secret, another one is config map. In these two resources, there is no specification. There is no specification. You got the clarity or not? You got the clarity or not? Now observe. I am trying to give the name. Now you tell me anyone metadata name. That is your wish. That is your wish. I may take such name. Anyone respond? What is the name of that here? Anyone name? Name is your name. Can I take config? Config. map name for our easy understanding. What is the name I'm taking? Config map name. This resource name. For remembering, you know the word metadata. What is the metadata? Data about kind. What is our kind? Config map name I am representing with config map name. Got it or not? Data. What is the key value? Here you need to give password. That is your wish. Tab key, PASS, PASS, WR, a password. What is the password you need to mention? Maybe I am taking DevApps, DevApps, OPS, Dev OPS, DEV OPS, maybe spell mistake. Now here anybody facing any difficulty, please respond. If no difficulty, I can copy this. I'm copying this. Even I'm read Control A, Control C, Control A, Control C. You need to remember config map name. Config map name. Now I'm taking config. What is the key here? Password. What is the value here? DevApps. Everybody observe, right? One space is required. One space is required. Now just I'm going to where? Please respond. Where I want to go? Here. There. Escape. Shift colon X. First you need to create which object? Config map object. Config map object. How can I create? VI CM config map. We are feeling like that. Config map dot YML. Config map dot YML. Shift insert. Now escape. Shift colon X. How can I execute this? kubectl apply -f cm dot yml. Well known story. Well known story. Check it that object got created or not. Yes, created. I want to see the details. Anyone respond? How can I see config map details, config map name details? kubectl. Very good. Describe. DSCRIBE. Describe. And now please respond. Copy this. That's all. Copy this and paste into here. Now press enter. Clearly you can view the information. Clearly you can view. I said in secret it not visible. But in config map observe, clear indication is there or not. Is the data? Is the key name? What is the key name? Password. What is the password name? Actual password name. DevApps. The duty of config map is nothing but just like storing some data, storing some content. We stored something somewhere else with the plain text. Now try to remember. I am going to MS Paint. Clear indication. What config map says. Config map provides. Try to remember. Config map object having plain text. Plain text. Is it easy to remember or not? Please respond. Secret. SECRE. What is the spelling of secret? SECRET, right? Secret object. Can hold. Anyone tell me? Can hold? CIPH. Maybe spelling correct. Ciphertext. What is the ciphertext? Anyone tell me? Encrypted data. Encrypted data. Now you got the difference between config map and secret. There is no secret map, secret object, config map object. Very, you must remember in that way. But knowingly, unknowingly, people are calling secret map object, config map object. There is no such terminology. Config map object is there, secret object is there. Is it clear or not? First respond. If it is clear, we need to know an extra terminal. What is the terminology? First I'll show you. Now I'll try to explain. Where I should go? Here I should go. I need to show this. VI. Now what is the previous I opened? Which one I opened? This is WordPress deployment config map, right? Now try it. We need to remember three terms. Only. What are those three terms? See, you need to remember. Maybe copy or not, I don't know. If it is copying, that is good. Insert. So it is copying or not? Okay, no problem. Shift down arrow, not supporting. Shift down arrow. Ask. Okay, no problem. First I am writing here value from. I am taking here VALUE value from. This is the predefined property. Value from. Value from. Maybe three spaces observe. After three spaces, config map key reference. Right, remember? Config map key ref. Config map. They see the naming convention. Config map key ref. What are the spellings? Config map key ref. Yes, sir. After that, again three spaces. Again three spaces. How to represent three spaces? 1, 2, 3. Now I think here is the writer. Where I am third character. Third character. And this is the writer. What they written here? Name and key. Now tell me what is our name? What is the name I took there? Please respond anyone. What is the name I provided for config map object? Name.
configMap.
Very good. Config map name Kishore. Config map name I took, right?
Yes, sir.
Key Kishore. What is the key here? Respond. In that I took key value. What is the key name?
Password.
Very good. Password. This is you must remember. Value from config map key ref, name, key. Same scenario for secret. See, value from. You can easily tell. Can you guess it? Can you guess it? Can you guess it? SECRET. Anyone can guess? Secret. Key. Ref. Again, next tell me. Name. Maybe for that secret name, assume. Secret. SECRET. Assume. We are taking like that. Next, what is the key? Anyone respond? Maybe there also? Password. Very easy to remember, but you must practice. Even you and me, you must practice. These are the things mandatory. When it is mandatory, you want to apply either config, you need to follow this. You want to apply either secret, you need to follow this. Now in our code, we need to modify. How can I modify? I am going to here. See, I am here. They took MySQL config map. MySQL config. They are giving for which purpose? They are giving for C. WordPress DB password. What is the database password? They are feeling like that. What is the database password? We know, right? In config map they represented. And now tell me here. What is our config map name? Config map name. This password is password only, right? Password is password only. Am I mentioned or not? See, environmental variable they took WordPress DB host, database host they took WordPress MySQL. Database password is confidential or not? Respond anyone. Database password is confidential or not? Yes, confidential. They mention maybe with key ref they mention, but actually we mentioned with secret. Anyway, we understood or not? This is the way they represent. Anywhere they used password, we need to change there also. If they didn't use, no problem. We will try to run this application. Now, escape, shift:*X. How to deploy this? Please respond. Up arrow. kubectl, apply -F space. If we are not wrong, it got created. Created or not? Respond. Is it created or not? Yes, it is created. Service object is also got created. Now check the service. kubectl get SVC. See, WordPress service. That service is node core. If you want to work with which one, you need to provide here. This is fully managed property or self-managed property. Anyone respond? Type. Node port is useful for ours or not? Anyone respond? Node port is useful for us or not? We are using fully manager or self-manager. At least respond in that way. Are we using self-manager?
Fully managed.
Fully manager means node port is useful or not useful? Not useful. Fully manager means only load balancer. Only load balancer. How to do changes? Anyone respond? How to do changes? VI. Here observe, come to down arrow. Where is the service? Within the service, you need to change here. You need to change here. See, even as a DevOps engineer, we need to refer all these things. Blindly don't apply. Got it or not? Load balance. Even you are my senior, you worked with full self-manager cluster. I am your junior, I may work with, I am in some other project. You provided same code. I can't apply blindly. According to my project scenario, I need to change it. Am I changing or not? Because of I am using fully manager. Got it or not? Clear? Good. WordPress. What is the port number for WordPress? Service port number is 80. Target port number is also 80. Escape. Shift colon X. Now check it. Now check it. What shall I do? I need to rerun. I need to rerun. Yes, it is running. Now check it. kubectl get. kubectl get. I am not running again and again applications. Why? Everybody know it, right? How to expose outside the scope. Simply what we are doing. Taking or external IP. Maybe it may create within a minute. Check it. It is in pending state. It may generate. The database, right? It may take time. Now got it or not? Respond here. Copy this. This is fully database related object. Paste it. Press enter. It may take also time. It may give some message. See, error establishing a database connection. We need other things. Front end application is not there. Please try to remember. Try to observe. Till now there is no front end application. This is only back end related. We need to configure front end. We need to configure front end. Got it or not? But it is executing or not? Yes, it is executing. Yes, it is executing. Now escape. We can't access directly on the browser database related. Only you can relate with front end and back end. What we are working with in the sense, again try to understand. This is purely back end. We need to configure one front end. Then only this is useful. Then only this. In this way you can utilize. In this way you can utilize. Here assume if you configure WordPress, then it is useful. WordPress. But they given here only backend. MySQL, I think that. MySQL related. You know how to configure this to already we did. Here we are understanding which one. How to configure configMap. Anyone respond? Those 4 lines once again respond anyone? What is the first statement you need to write? First property. Value from. Got it or not? Value from. After that, please respond. Value from. Config map key ref. Got it or not? Key ref. After that, please respond. After that, very good. Name colon. That config map key reference name. Maybe assume X for easy understanding. I am giving. What is the key? Key is nothing but that key name. Maybe that key name is in our scenario. What is our key name? Password, right? Password. Same look and feel for secret. Shall we apply for same object, for same application? We need to apply secret. We'll try for secret. Now see, where should I go? Now control A, delete. Now tell me here. Secret. Yes. Secret is the same look and feel. What is the name? My secret is there. Shall I leave as it is? My secret. Leave it. What is the password? My password is, I am giving my password. I assume my password. Any name we can give. My password. Now try to remember what is the secret name? My secret. What is the password name? My password. Yes. Control A. Control C. Where should I go? Here I want to go there. I am in cluster. Please respond. VI, my secret, ms.yml, my secret.yml, shift insert, nothing to do, modify, my password, escape, shift colon, X. How to execute this? kubectl, apply hyphen
Apply.
f, ms.yml. Now, I want to apply in previous, something goes wrong, please respond. What is going wrong? Cannot be handled as a secret, illegal base 64. Warning, I think warning or error? Error, right? Data at input base 8. It is expecting something. It is expecting something. VIMS. What it is expecting? Okay, provided properly, right? Okay, opaque. Maybe they may change something. We'll go through internet. I think this is the old format. I may go with the latest format. Observe carefully. Which one you need? Secret, right? SECRET. Secret. In secret object. Secret object in Kubernetes. That's all. Secrets. Don't worry. Some example they provide. Based on that, we'll take that one. See, metadata is there. Like we don't want this. We need kind secret only they written, right? Secret only. Secret file. We don't want file. We need content. Data, okay. This is the file content. Some other example. Some other example. Secret name, okay. Data, okay. This is the key. This is the value. This is the key. This is the value. There I given only normal text, right? Normal text. Normal text. And secret type Kubernetes.io dot, okay. CFG config. Okay. I think today morning we didn't get any error, right? Today morning we didn't get any error. Have you observed or not? Today morning we didn't get any error. Anything goes wrong here? Please observe and tell me. Anything goes wrong?
Site is affected.
Today morning we worked with one secret object. Maybe I'm giving 1, 2, 3, maybe some letters also. It is expecting base 64. Okay, I understood that one. I think today morning we worked with one object. What is that object? Going to here. Just check it. Not here. Where is that? There is. Escape. Colon X. Now VAR, SE, star, secret service, okay. SECRET, right? We need star dot secret. Any other related thing with the secret? Okay, DAR, check it. Any secret related? Secret related, one YAML file must be there. Today morning we worked with that. Secret. Secret object we got created morning.
MySQL.
MySQL, we go for
Deployment.
DIR M star. Where is that secret? NFS postcode. Okay, good. I think this MySQL password secret is there, right? Now copy this. We'll check it. Copy this. Copy it. VI MySQL password secret. Any now see there is no difference, right? Now check it here. MySQL secret password. Try to remember here. MySQL hyphen pass. Maybe leave that password, actual password. This one you remember. MySQL hyphen pass. We need to remember this one and this one. Only two things. Name is and key value. Name and key value. Escape, shift colon, MySQL pass. Now, how to compile this? How to run this? kubectl, apply hyphen f. Now running. It got executed. Very good. Now how to check this? You know, right? kubectl get which one? What is the secret name? What is the secret name? This one. Copy this and paste it. I have shown to you morning. See, MySQL pass, opaque 1, 9 character. Get it. You want to describe. I am describing. I want to describe. DESC, describe. This one I want to use in my application. We have seen morning the same way. Same look and feel or not morning. You need to copy this. You need to copy this. Copy. And now where should I go? What is our existing application? What is our existing application? In that application, I want to use this. This one only, right? This one only, I think. How can I change? How can I change? Just go for, please respond here. Small modification we need to do. Where should I do? Value from is common. In place of configMap key reference, please respond. What should I write? Right here. Insert SECRET, secret key ref. Name is, please respond. What is the name? What is the name?
Secret key reference.
Yeah, shift insert. That's what I copied. MySQL pass. What is the key name there? What is the key name there? Password only, right? Where we are doing modification only in this area. Got it or not? The second property is modifying. First is not modifying. Third is not modifying. Fourth is not modifying. Left side I am asking. Left side value. Check it and tell me. Value from is common or not? Name is common or not? Key is common or not? Check it here. Is it common or not? I written many times. Observe and tell me. Value from common. Name common. Key common. Which is uncommon? Here configMap key reference. Here is what? Secret key reference. Secret here. We need to apply lowercase here. Config. We need to apply lowercase secret. Here anybody facing any difficulty, please respond. Please respond. I hope everything is fine. Shift colon X. Shift colon X. Now once again, I need to run this. kubectl, how can I run? Now I think that is there or not. kubectl, apply, just icon. That's a based on secret. Which is most powerful? Config is powerful, secret is powerful. Secret is more powerful than config contain plain text, secret contain ciphertext. I hope you understood or not. Am I clear or not? Respond. First we conclude that total till now how many objects we know? At least try to respond each and everyone. Everybody know part. Are you agree with me? Everybody know replication control. Everybody know which one next? I am writing. You tell me. Replica set. What next? Till now I didn't apply DAE. Daemon set I didn't apply. Shall we apply now? Daemon set. Okay. After that, what we worked with? Deployment. DEPLOY. Deployment. Next. What next? Just today we discussed two things. What are those two things? Even today morning, stateful set object. Is it clear or not? Now config map. And now you worked with SECRET, secret. Any other resources we worked with? Any other resources? First we'll try to complete demand set. Then we'll go for viewer. Okay, what is demand set object? What is demand set object? Assume this is the master. This is the master node. These are the worker nodes. Worker. See, my intention is I want to maintain exactly one part for each worker. I want to maintain exactly one node for each worker node. Suppose I may apply replicas, assume, replicas, assume 10. Generally, what happen? Anyone can guess it. What happens? 10 replicas it may create. 10 replicas it may create. Maybe in first worker node, maybe assume three. Assumption we are taking three replicas, three parts. I am taking assumption. In second worker node, again three. In third worker node, maybe four, right? Why maybe four? Three plus three, six. Six plus four, 10. Got it or not? But if you want to work with DS means demand set object, exactly only one pod will be created for each worker. Exactly only one pod will be created in each worker node. At that time, you need to use which object? Which object? Please respond. Demand set object. You may ask me. In which scenarios it is very useful? In which scenarios it is very useful? Suppose I want to monitor this node. I want to monitor this node. I want to monitor this node. For monitoring, I need to create one pod. Only for monitoring purpose, one pod I am creating. Monitoring purpose, one pod I want to create. Monitoring purpose, I want to create. Suppose if any monitoring related pod object you want to create, at that time you must take which resource? At that time you must take which resource? Only demand set object resource. Only demand set object resource. First I need to go with the deployment, then I need to convert into demand set. We'll see the difference. We'll see the difference. For that, I'm going to Visual Studio Code. Please respond. I'm deleting. I'm taking deployment. That's all. The deployment procedure. And now quickly, I am not modifying anything anywhere. I am modifying only here. Please respond. What is the modification? What is the modification? Image colon Docker hands up Java web app colon 1. Remaining areas, if you say I can modify, otherwise I don't modify. Otherwise I don't modify. That is your wish. If you say something, then only I can modify. Otherwise I won't modify. Please remember. Here, please port. I want to remove it. Okay, no problem. Tell me the port number. Tell me the port number. You know it, right? What is the port number? 808080. Our intention is you need to know the difference between deployment and demand set. Now see, after spec, you need to apply replicas, replicas, colon. How many replicas? 10 I am giving. How many replicas? 10 I specified. 10 I specified. Now control A, control C. I am going to here. Now please respond. VI. What is the name? Deployment set object. Deployment set object. Only deployment object. I am giving debo.yml. Deployment object.yml. Shift insert. Now try to understand. Escape. Shift colon X. That's all. Before that, kubectl. Delete all. Hyphen all. That's all. You know each concept properly, we can combine very easily. Is trying to delete it. Deleted? Yes, sir. And now tell me how can I run this? kubectl, apply, Daemon set object, not a deployment object, right? PO.yml. What was the problem? Any spelling mistake? Hyphen F is missing. Hyphen F is missing. Now see. Now check it. kubectl get how many parts got created? Respond. All the 10 creating. No problem. After a minute, it may be get running. After 1 minute, maybe running all. Is it clear for you? Small modification. Till now, anybody facing any difficulty? Please respond. If no worries, we'll go for which object? We'll go for which object? Daemon set object. Shall I modify this? Shall I modify this? VI, there where I want to modify respond? In place of deployment, insert DAEMON, daemon set. Daemon set. No other modification. Again, one small problem is there. Somewhere I need to change. Where I need to change? Anyone respond? Where I need to change? Anyone respond? Previous batch students? We must avoid this. Which one I removed? At least have you observed or not? Which one I removed? Respond anyone?
Replicas.
Replicas. Daemon set object, don't specify replicas. How many nodes are running? I'll show you that too also. How many nodes are running? Please respond. kubectl get nodes. Nodes. How many nodes are running? 3 nodes, right? Now if I try to execute my application, see, I execute it. Now check it, kubectl get parts. How many parts are running? Don't see all these things. Some are terminating. Now check it after a minute. It is showing what it is showing. Now first I need to delete, then you will get the clarity because of this the previous one, right? Previous. You may get confusion. kubectl delete all. First 10 deleted. Now I go for CTL apply daemon set. Now tell me kubectl get parts. Now check it how many parts are running. See, one is terminating. Don't panic here. One is terminating. How many are running? Why only 3 are running? Because of each worker node must contain exactly one part. If knowingly, unknowingly, if we try to mention a replicas, it won't accept. Even check it. I'm trying to add here is, replicas, right? REPLICS, replicas colon, at least I am giving 5. What happens? Observe. It clearly indicate what it will indicate. See what it is saying. Something clearly it may give an error. See, strict decoding error, unknown field. What is unknown field? Replicas. Hey, I don't know who is replicas. Replicas is not belongs to my daemon set object. Replicas is belongs to replication controller. Replicas is belongs to replica set. Replicas is belongs to deployment object. Even replicas belongs to stateful set object also. Got it or not? But that is not belongs to daemon set object. These things they will ask in interview. They may write replicas. Is it valid code or not? We must say that is not the valid code. Now kubectl get parts. How many are running clearly? Only 3 are running clear. Is it clear for you or not? Please respond. Is it clear for you? If it is clear, we will go for some other resource. See, before going to some other resources, maybe tomorrow morning, I may start with I may start for okay, which concept? Maybe I may go for Helm charts. Tomorrow, what I may teach? Helm charts. Why I may teach Helm charts? I may give clarity. See, here till now, maybe observe within one manifest file assume. Maybe I am going to MS VS4 here, assume VS4. Here I may use, try to observe here. First I may write pod, maybe otherwise deployment assume. Deployment. Okay, code is there. After that, I may give hyphen observe dot. This is the industry closer I am telling you. Hyphen. What industry says, don't create one by one. Don't create one by one. Create all the manifest file in one area. Maybe service. After that, you may create one more deploy. Observe hyphen. Observe here, maybe dot. Now I go for maybe one more deployment. For this, I may take the name is not deployment, replica set assume. Replica set. See, manifest management easy or complex? Very complex. Very complex. Why I'm saying very complex? Even I am closing this. Try to observe. I'm adding two. Here is PVC, persistent volume claim. Then I'm adding one more, dot. I'm adding just hyphen. Just I'm adding dot. Here is the PV, persistent volume. See, in this one single file, how many resources are there? N number of resources. Are you agree with me or not? N number of resources. See, one area having difficulty. I need to open total code or maybe single file only I am opening. Anyone respond? Am I having
Total.
problem? Total thing. As a learner, as a professional, we may confuse or not. We may gather everything. System only will maintain one segregation. Segregation means separation. Very simple way I will show you. Tomorrow I may enhance. What I want to do that. Now observe here. Helm creator. Tell me one name. Maybe I am taking Siva. That's all. What happens? CD, one folder got created. Now check it. I'm going to give tree. It may work or not. I am giving. Tree is not working here. Okay, if not working, no problem. I may go for dir. How many files got created? Observe here. How many files got created? One file is charts. One file is chart.yml. One file is template. One file is value.yml. If you want to understand clearly, CD template. Now see, I may go for ls. ls-l. You may get the clarity. What are the files system got generated? Try to read that one. Service.yml, service account.yml, ingress.yml, hpa.yml, deployment.yml. Are you understanding or not? How many files system got created? Multiple YML files. But manually, if you want to do what Helm chart will do, again I am going to back observe. Please observe. I am creating mkdir Pati. I am giving my name. CD Pati. Try to understand. In that VA assume pod.yml. Try to understand. Pod.yml. Or cat easy understanding. Or touch touch. Touch. Where I am in Pati, right? Pod.yml. Try to understand. One more thing. touch. Touch. Which one? Deployment.yml. Next, which one I may create? touch hpa.yml. Now, touch, tell me one name, that's all. Whatever the names are there, I'm using same. Ingress.yml for your understanding. Next, TOUCH, touch. Service account dot YML. Next, touch service SCR VAC service dot YML. Now try to understand LM. What happens here? These many files manually you created. If you want to run it, how to run it? kubectl, try to understand. Apply -f, simply start. What does it mean? Anyone respond? Try to understand and try to interact with me. What does it mean?
It will apply all files.
We are running all the files separately. If any error is there in file, it will show some error. If any error in this, it will show after this. If any error is there, maybe simply what I am doing, I am combining all the YML files. I am going to here. This is our Helm chart. This is the name of the chart. What is the name of the chart I took? The name is Pati. Today try to understand. Tomorrow I will give enhancement. This is the Pati chart. If you open any chart, by default naming convention I am providing. What is the first one? We may having CHERT chart.yml. One file must be there. Chart.yml. Any other is there? Try to observe and tell me. First one is what? Try to understand here. Not ours. I given something, right? This one. What is the thing we are having? We have seen chart.yml, right? After that, this is one directory. What is the directory? Charts. One directory name is charts. Internally, maybe one directory it is having like that. Charts. This is the charts. One name. CHARTS. After that, one more directory is there. That directory name is the name itself template. What is the meaning of templates? Ready-made component, ready to use component. These template folder contain maybe 5 to 6 files. I am trying to give the arrow mark 1, 2, maybe assume 3. I am writing 4 or 5 names. That's all. 4 or 5 names. In that, and now you know what is the first name. Please respond. Deployment.yml. What is the second name? Please respond. Service.yml. What is the third name? HPA.yml. What is the fourth name? Service, SCRVAC, service account.yml. Any other name have you identified? Respond. Ingress, very good. Ingress.yml. Even we can take, what is that? Which one we observed here? Persistent volume claim. PERSISTENT. Persistent volume claim. Got it or not? .yml. Even persistent volume.yml. Like that, we can place multiple file names. Total we can consider one chart. That's what I am giving final conclusion. What is Helm chart? What is HELM? Helm chart. Helm chart is the package manager. Package means this is the package, right? One bundle. Package manager. What we can do? It is used to deploy web applications. Very easy manner. Very easy. ANN. Here or here? Manner. Spelling is correct or wrong? Manner. MANN. Maybe right or wrong? Easy manner. Web application. Very easy. What is the Helm chart? Is the package manager. Already predefined package managers are there. M is one package manager. APT get is one package manager. M is package manager for which one? Linux or Linux or CentOS, CentOS, like that. APT is for what? UBU20 Ubuntu. For K8s, what is the package manager? Anyone respond? Helm is the package manager. Helm is the package manager. Now simply I can deploy. Quickly I can deploy one application. Try to understand. I want to deploy one application. Now cd dot dot. Otherwise cd. Now tell me. Helm create dev apps. That's all. Now I want to execute this, right? Helm install. What is the folder name? DEV OPS. Helm install dev apps. Slash is before or after? Maybe assume. Slash is helm install. That is the we need to give one name. That name is maybe some name. Release name. What is the release name? I may give ABs. Release name. Yes, it is installed. Just it may take. Helm is created or not? See, check it. Helm got created. We need to check. One service object got created. kubectl get all. See, one name you got it. What is that? See, DevApps got created or not? Please respond, anyone. DevApps got created or not? What is the service object? Check it. kubectl get svc. Service object. ABC. I given release name, right? Observe and tell me. What is your Helm chart name? DevApps. What is the release name? ABC. Which type? Cluster IP. If you want to expose, which type you needed? Anyone respond? If you want to expose, which type is needed?
External life.
Load balancer.
External
Load balancer is required.
Load
Got it?
balancer.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
observe everyone. How to convert it to load balancer? You need to know that, right? How to convert? Here you don't touch it. In Helm chart only we need to touch it. What is your folder name? Respond, anyone? CD DevApps, right? CD DevApps. Now you need to check it. LL. There somewhere template is there. CD templates. Try to understand. Now LL. Check it. In that you need to go for values.yml. Where is the values.yml? Here is not there, right? You go for one step back. Check it. Values.yml is there or not? Check it. Is there or not? Please respond here. Is there or not? There. Here is vi values.yml. You need to open this. Somewhere service word is there. Check it. Service word is there or not? Somewhere service word is there. Is there or not? Observe. My cursor is blinking somewhere.
Yes.
What is the type?
Type cluster IP is there.
Yeah. What you need to change?
Load balancer.
That's all.
Load balance.
As a professional, you need to work with Helm chart is very simple. Wherever you require, there you'll go and modify. Load balance. LANC. Just I didn't touch anything. Only one area modified. Escape. Shift colon X. Your duty is over. Now what you need to do? You need to run. How to run? Maybe here I am in right. Here in DevApps only I am in right. In DevApps only I am in. Tell me. Helm install. What you want to release name? Previous scenario ABC. Now I am giving XYZ. Second release. Now dot. Why I am giving dot? I am in folder only. Please respond. Enter. Something goes wrong. Helm install. Typo error. HELM, correct, right? Yeah. Spelling mistake. HELM. Now I am correct. Now second version you may get it. Please check it. Version number 2 you may get that. So much depth is there. Today we are maybe this is one more version release. Now Helm repo. Maybe don't go for or otherwise simply go for what I said. kubectl get svc. Check it. One load balancer is there or not? Now check it here. Pending, right? Just up arrow. up arrow, up to getting external IP, you need to check. Within a minute, I'll show the application. That is the specialty of Helm. Industry is expecting Helm only. If you know Helm, you are eligible for Kubernetes developer, Kubernetes professional. Paste it, enter it. That's all. You may get NGINX application, NGINX application. What is the default Helm chart provide? One image. That is the what is that? Maybe HTTPD or maybe NGINX. See NGINX. Got it or not? Tomorrow, what I may do? I may modify our own application. This is the purely who is running this application. Respond anyone? Who is running this application? Our Helm chart is managing this application. Our Helm chart. Maybe 1 or 2 days I may work with Helm charts. Once again, I may go for some other means till now we don't know service account. Till now we don't know HPA. Those things we'll discuss after completion of Helm charts. Till now, anybody facing any difficulty, please try to interact with me. Otherwise, we may wind the session. Then remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, I may enter maybe step-by-step procedure. What is Helm chart? How to create Helm chart? How to implement? Maybe Helm keywords. Even you can see here simplifying. I am simplifying once again. There it may show or not. Maybe we may check it. This one, right? This one. See, I am trying to give Helm. HELM Helm. See, you may get some keywords here. See, try to observe here. Helm keywords. What are the Helm keywords? Helm create, Helm dependency, Helm env, Helm get, Helm help, Helm history. Maybe could I use two things? What I use respond here? Am I use create or not?
Yes.
Create and install.
Create and
Install. Remaining things we will see. Even you can see list also. Just now, Helm list, HELM, Helm list, HELM. See, how many releases I released? How many releases I released? Please respond. 2 releases. One is ABC, another one is XYZ. Compared to Kubernetes, Helm is very, very simple, very, very easy. But without knowing internal things, already we know pod we know, replication controller we know, replica set we know. That's why you may feel Helm is very easy. Helm is very easy. Those things we'll see that. Okay, got it? I'll try to show you at least 80% of the keywords. Even some keywords I don't know, but I'll try to gather each and everything. I'll try to provide clarity. My intention is, please try to count it all the
Can you
keywords.
explain daemon set?
Which one?
Can you explain daemon set one more time?
Daemon set. Now try to understand. Now try. See, I think Sivakrishna, this is the master node. Maybe master node is managed by whom here? Anyone respond? Master node is managed by whom? GK, Google Kubernetes Engine, that is the Google. Got it or not? Google. Don't consider this. See, I am having how many worker nodes? Please respond. Assume only one worker node is there. Whenever if you write one YAML file, that YAML file contain kind is deployment set. Daemon set. If it is having daemon set, I am writing clearly. DAEFON daemon set. Whenever you specify daemon set, how many worker nodes are there? Respond anyone. How many worker nodes are there? In this scenario, how many workers? This is the master.
Only one.
It generates only one pod. That's all. Suppose if you add one more worker node, dynamically, whenever worker node is added, it may create one more pod. Whose duty that is? Sivakrishna, this is a deployment set controller object. What is the duty of this controller object? Keep on checking for nodes. How many worker nodes are there? How many pods got created? 2. Maybe you may deleted which one? Node. Automatically it removes. Tell me, automatically removes pod. Sivakrishna got it up. Got the clarity or not?
It automatically generate that another node, sir.
If you add it, automatically that won't get it. If you add one worker node, what it will do? What daemon set will do? Create a pod. Create a pod. When it creates a pod after creation of worker node or without creation of worker node? Respond in this way.
After creating a
సింపుల్ గా తెలుగులో వస్తున్నా శివకృష్ణ. ఒక హౌస్ ఉంది, అందులో ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ ఉంది. ఇంకో హౌస్ కట్టాము, అందులోకి ఎవరు వచ్చారు? ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ వచ్చారు. హౌస్ ని డెమాలిష్ చేశాను. ఈ భాష మన భాషలో కొద్దాం. హౌస్ ని ఏం చేశాను? డెమాలిష్ చేశాను. హౌస్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఏం చేశారు చెప్పండి? వెళ్ళిపోయారు. ఎందుకు వెళ్ళిపోయారు? మన రియల్ వరల్డ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. హౌస్ లేదు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోయారు. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేసావు నువ్వు? ఇంకో హౌస్ కట్టావు, వాళ్ళంతా నీ వాళ్ళు అనుకుందాం. ఆటోమేటిక్ వాళ్ళందరూ ఎక్కడికి వచ్చేసారో చెప్పు మళ్ళీ నీ ప్రకారం? ఇందులోకి వచ్చారు. హౌస్ ఉంటే మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు, హౌస్ లేకపోతే మెంబర్స్ లేరు. దట్ ఈస్ హూస్ డ్యూటీ? డీమాన్ సెట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డ్యూటీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డీమాన్ సెట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డ్యూటీ? ఫర్ ఈచ్ నోడ్ ఇట్ మెయింటైన్స్ హౌ మెనీ పార్ట్స్? దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. ఫర్ ఈచ్ నోడ్ ఇట్ మెయింటైన్స్ హౌ మెనీ పార్ట్స్? Please respond in that way. For each node, it maintain
one part is
how many parts? Only one part. That is the answer. Got it or not? At least got it or not?
okay.
Yeah, good.
Got it, sir.
We'll see in future scenarios. I'll show you 99%, each one in real time scenario. Maybe situation demands, there I'll go with one example. But today morning we have seen, right? Maybe which one? Stateful set object. For each point, I try to show maybe the related meanings, the related values. Maybe that they given for each replica, it may maintain one PVC. We have seen one PV. We have seen how many replicas are there? 3 replicas are there. How many PVCs maintain? 3 PVCs. For each PVC, how many PVs can maintain? 1 PV. 3 parts, 3 PVCs. 3 parts, 3 PVs. That is the duty of what? Stateful set object. Stateful set object. Like that, we may understand for each. I hope. Any other having any other doubt? Please respond. Any other having any other doubt? If no, we can wind up. If any is there, we'll try to explain. Okay, thank you. Remaining things we'll meet tomorrow. I'll mention the timing. Don't panic. I'll mention. Maybe I may go with tomorrow morning, maybe 6:30. If not possible, I may mention the time. Thank you. సార్ నమస్తే చెప్పండి సార్. ఓకే రైట్ సార్ రైట్ సార్ రైట్ సార్